Did you know Earth looks completely different today than it did thousands of years ago? Even a few years ago? That's because weather and other powerful forces shape the land every day. Weathering is when the Earth's rocks are broken down into smaller pieces by the effects of weather. They simply break down and settle right there. Things like water, plant roots, and wind cause this to happen. This makes large boulders and mountains crack and change their shape. Some rocks even become sand or dirt. Erosion is when the broken pieces of rock are moved by water, ice, or wind. Imagine a bar of soap that you leave in the shower. If you have a leaky faucet, drops of water will fall onto the soap in the same spot every day. After a while, the soap will form a hole in that spot. It will also no longer look like the same bar of soap. It will break in half or into smaller pieces. These pieces will be washed away down the drain when you turn the shower on. The breaking apart of the soap is an example of weathering. The movement of the soap's pieces is erosion. This is all about erosion. Erosion happens when rocks and sediments are picked up and moved to another place by ice, water, wind, or even gravity. Erosion occurs in many forms. Water erosion happens when pieces of rock smash against a riverbed and the river carries the pieces elsewhere. This changes how the body of water looks. Wind erosion happens when small pieces of rock and pebbles are carried away by the wind. Glacier erosion occurs when the glacier picks up small pieces of rock and carries them away. The glacier makes the land smooth as it moves over it. Erosion not only changes the way the land looks, it impacts the environment. It can cause trees to uproot, soil to move, and even floods. The appearance of Earth will never remain the same due to the wearing away and erosion. Our land is always changing, just like you are always growing and changing too. So right down here, this picture is a picture of water erosion. This one is wind erosion. You can see the holes that are coming through the caves. And then this right here is glacier erosion.